Alright, well, I'm at my Taurus right now trying to diagnose a little bit of an issue I've got. There's this weird rattling noise that's going on when I start the car up. And I'm thinking it's an exhaust issue. I don't think it's the engine, because when I open the hood and look in the engine compartment and stuff, I don't really hear it over the engine itself, so I don't think it's actually the engine to begin with. So, yeah, right now I've got the windows closed, rather, and as you can see, as you can see that, but with the windows being closed and all that. And I'm going to go ahead and start the car up, and you'll see what I'm talking about. You'll probably hear it even though the windows are closed. I'm going to roll the window down. I'm going to rev it up a little bit and you'll hear it. If I go ahead and put it outside the car, you'll hear it better. So my question is, what in the fuck is that? Like I said, I'm thinking it's the exhaust, but I don't know for sure. That's why I'm asking. So let's go out and look underneath the car. Turn the LED on here so you can see. There we go. Well, I'll go ahead and pop the hood just to show you that I can prove the fact that it's not the engine, because you won't hear it inside the engine bay. So, got all these friggin' tree thingies on right inside of my hood here. So if I kick it up a little bit, you shouldn't be able to hear it. Oh, maybe you can hear it a little bit in here. I didn't even notice that. I don't know. Yeah, I still say it's the exhaust though, because I don't hear it under. It's coming from behind the engine. It's not actually in front of it or nothing. So I don't know what the fuck it is though, but as you guys can tell, if I can do this, I'll put it underneath the car like that. I don't think you guys see it. Let me go ahead and turn the LED on real quick and see if I catch anything on video or not. Get a little lower here. Probably help if I had my screen facing me so I could see what I'm looking at. There we go. Try this again without hurting myself. There we go. don't see anything really moving here, but I don't know. It's hard to tell from the angle I'm looking at. No idea. But if you guys have any idea, just let me know. Alright. So, that's pretty much it. So, you guys have a good day.